This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: both devices online, location services on, and permission from the owner. Once that's set, open the appropriate app. Find My on iPhone or Google Find My device on Android. Sign in with the owner's account only if they've explicitly allowed it, or ask them to add you as a trusted contact. This avoids account sharing. Now, make sure you're in the Apps People or Devices tab so you can start locating or inviting right away. Once signed in or accepted as a contact, select the device you need to find. You'll see live location or a last seen timestamp. Also check battery percent to judge urgency. If the device is nearby, play a sound to help locate it. If it's far away, get directions. For lost or stolen cases, mark as lost to lock the device and display contact info, or remotely erase only as a last resort. Make decisions based on location accuracy and safety. Complete the process by securing the device. Lock it, show a contact message, or erase it only when recovery is impossible. If you can't see location, ask the owner to confirm Share My location, network connectivity, and that the device is powered on. Once done, make sure to sign out of their account if you used it and hand control back. If things go wrong, restart the app and device, recheck permissions, and retry. Those steps fix most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.